Hello students, today we are going to solve a very interesting question from algebra, based on linear equations. The question is, Raju has $10. If he buys 8 pears and 5 mangoes, he will be short of $1.10. If he buys 5 pears and 4 mangoes, he will receive $1.75 in change. We need to find the price of each fruit. Now, for solving this, we have to form equations. First, let us assume price of 1 pear equals P, and price of 1 mango equals M. Now, in the first condition, Raju is short of $1.10. That means the total cost is 10 plus 1.10 equals $11.10. So, the first equation will be 8P plus 5M equals 11.10. Now, in the second condition, he gets $1.75 back. That means he spends 10 minus 1.75 equals $8.25. So, the second equation will be 5P plus 4M equals 8.25. Now, to solve these equations, we will use elimination method. First, we will make the coefficients of M equal. Multiply the first equation by 4, 32P plus 20M equals 44.40. Multiply the second equation by 5, 25P plus 20M equals 41.25. Now, subtract the second equation from the first equation, 32P minus 25P, plus 20M minus 20M, equals 44.40 minus 41.25. So, we get 7P equals 3.15. Therefore, P equals 0.45. Now, substitute P equals 0.45 in one of the equations, 5P plus 4M equals 8.25. So, 0.45, plus 4M equals 8.25. 2.25 plus 4M equals 8.25. Now, we will subtract 2.25 from 8.25. We will get 4M equals 6. As 4 is multiplying M, we will shift towards other side, it will divide 6. Therefore, M equals 1.50. So, the price of 1 pear is 45 cents and the price of 1 mango is $1.50. This is how we solve such problems using linear equations. Now, I am giving you some questions for practice. Solve them in the same way and comment your answers. I will check them.